Yo, what is up? Ty, shut your mouth. It's not very nice. Same with you, Sam. I literally just woke up, so bear with me on this stream. I'm not awake at all, so yeah, fresh out the shower, man. It's pretty obvious where that level would be. I was sleeping, yeah. I was sleeping. I was pretty deep into a slumber, I must say. Wow, look at that. Eight PM alarm, yeah. Flynn, my man. Zuma. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be back in 1 second. I had a coffee brewing up there, so I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Gonna pop a nicotine gum, the morning ritual. Ooh, that's actually something I did forget, Seth. Well, I'll fix that later. Remind me. DM me, please. Jack, my man. Rodriguez. Honey Bear. I think that's Peter, isn't it? ST, look at everybody showing up. Let's go. Nah, Ty, man. I'm sorry to break it to you, but this is a black iced coffee, man. Sorry to mog you like that. Maple deodorant. Yeah, that would be dope. But yeah. Oh, believe me. Ty is one of the zestiest dudes out there, believe me. I've come to know him pretty well, and that dude is zesty. I just realized something. That song I started singing randomly the other day is in one of these songs. That's why it was in my head. It was subliminally stuck inside my head. This is supposed to be copyright free. What the heck? And they got a remix of this? Yeah, who cares? Good one, Seth. You've had it twice today or in the past hour? You need to clarify that, man. None of the above? I don't know, Ty. I'm not buying it, man. I'm not buying it. Yeah, let's find it how zesty really are. What flavor is your protein powder? If you take whey protein, what flavor is it? If you say cotton candy, I'm gonna ban you from the chat. Match a flavor. Vanilla, that's not bad. That's pretty. That's as alpha as it gets. Yeah, birthday cake would be crazy though. Orange would actually be gas. Yeah. Dude, this candle is pushing up like crazy. How big is this candle? Look at this. Seth likes to have gunmetal flakes in his shakes. And that's his post hunting drink after he goes out and catches like 10 alligators by jumping on their backs and choking them out. Honey Bear, is it on NP5? Or is it on TradingView broker? I think they have TradingView integrated, don't they? I thought for sure there was a way to use TradingView with them. MT5 is like, I mean, back in the day, I used to use it a little bit. It is clunky, but it's like the OG in the trading game, though. It's a good and faithful. Yeah, TradingView will be way better, man. Well, maybe you can't. I just thought when I looked into them a long time ago that it said they had TradingView integrated, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, just a light 60 tick opening candle, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? 50 ticks. Something a little light. Oh man, iced coffee is so good. How come YouTube Studio don't have my... Oh, there we go. Look at that, 44 people in here. Woo! Welcome everybody. Oh, Seth is getting the iced coffee. Everybody watch out. Seth goes off the walls when he gets iced coffee in him. Popping off today, baby. Dessert. I'm friggin' still like asleep, to be honest. Bunch of nerds. If you're in this chat right now, just know you're a freaking nerd. How dare you want to better yourself as a trader and actually do something with your time that doesn't rot your brain cells. What a nerd. Yeah, Seth, is it going to be a black iced coffee? If not, sorry, bro. We're going to have to ban you. Like, I'm actually going to have to ban you from my Discord and my chat. If it's not black. Like the Cosmos. Nice. Nerds make money, yo. That's right. Yeah, we're nerds when it comes to one specific type of chart. Like if you show me any other type of I just almost said chart. If you show me any other type of chart, I just won't know what the fuck I'm looking at. Part of chart. Yeah, what Orem said. That's just whack. Oh, you're adding some new things? Are you gonna leak them right now in my chat? Or are you just gonna keep it secret? Jedi. My good and faithful. How are you? Oh yeah. Show me a pie chart. Get that out of here, man. I don't want that shit. Show me a pie. Different story. You'll tell Victoria. I get what you're saying. You funny guy. Seth is a funny man. Jedi, you watch yourself. Seal, what are you doing here, bro? Isn't it like 2 a.m. where you are? Because I swear I remember you, like the first time you were ever in my chat, you said it's 2 a.m. I set my alarm to wake up to be here. I don't know, Nate. You got to turn on those notifications, man. Make sure they're on. 1 a.m. gang. It's like 2:18. I can't really speak about sleep schedules because I just woke up at like 8:15 p.m. There's a clue, huh? So there's gonna be actions you can take in chat. Or you're gonna have a bot little thing. Wait, which one? The bot or the actions? What runner? Todd, what time is it for you? Oh, nice. Gonna turn it into a video game type she. 1:20 p.m. Lame. My guy's up in the daytime. Yeah, facts, seal. I mean, that's kind of what I did. I stayed up all night, every night for a long time. Is that actually what it's gonna be? That'd be hilarious. Got the club going up on a Tuesday. Yeah, that's a good one. Nice, man. Yeah, I'm excited. Is it gonna be like Easter egg type shit where you gotta try and find out what it is, or? I'll be back in another second, guys. I gotta get some water. Got my electrolyte mix. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get those electrolytes. Oh man, that's so good. This first bit of water I had since I woke up. Man, that's good. Holy. Water when you first wakes up is friggin' gas. Yeah, I really needed that shit. Can I even put this? I got so much shit on my desk. Last night was horrible food. What do you mean? What food are we talking about? Oh, when we were talking about McDonald's and shit? Wait, what? The thing that comes out of the toilet? What do you mean? Nah, they're just support and resistance. Bluey, what's up, man? How's it going, dude? Good, I presume. I hope. Oh, look at that. We might get a closer above. We'd be engulfing a lot of shit on the 30. It has electrolytes. That's what plants crave. What are you guys talking about? You guys are tripping me out, man. What are you talking about? I'm not gonna lie, you guys are really tripping me out. Oh yeah, we're gonna drop my Discord link soon too. Just gonna combine to this into this area right here and probably take profit around there if it closes above. Getting your cold brew, let's go, brother. Gotta love that. If we actually get a clean trade, I'm gonna be freaking pumped. Like if we get a clean setup, clean entry, you know, I'm gonna be pumped. Not gonna lie. It's looking like we actually might get one. But dude, why am I saying that? Because I'm freaking jinxing it. Looks so different on Forex, really? Oh wow, it do. Holy. It's not correlated at all right now. That's crazy. At least like if we did close above, we'd still be pretty bullish on Forex. Like it'd still be a bullish 30 closer, even though it's like way above that level. But yeah. Looks like if we get a trade, freaking Ariel's not gonna get one. Huh. All right, we did get a bit of a break. I'm interested. I'm not gonna lie. It's a nice bit of green, but like we just engulfed all that shit in one 30-minute candle. So yes, sir. Retest now and then break the previous high, and you know it has to be outside the first minute or close to, and we're in. Looks like it might just freaking go do that now, though. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it, guys. Let's get cooked together. If anybody else wants to take it, do at your own risk. You're filled already? How? Like one color, you mean? It is a nice bit one color, but I don't think it's that bad. Like 80 ticks. I don't think it's that bad. But we'll see. Like 80 ticks in these market conditions is like nothing, isn't it? That's like your stop loss sometimes. You're asking me. Well, I don't friggin' know, man. I'm just out here doing whatever. I just put my take profit up at this next level here. Yeah, if you want to wait for a small body red, that makes sense too. No, I wouldn't say you're asking for too much. Definitely not. But like, just my logic is like, okay, we're 80 ticks one color. Like when it comes down to, is that a lot? Well, this retest alone is 30 ticks. Yo, the doc's wife, what's up? If this doesn't tap me in before 5 minutes left, though, I'm gonna end up having to wait for a small body red. I don't really want more than a 40 tick stop either. Yeah, I'm just gonna cancel it now. Where's Ken signals when you need them? Yeah, really though. Gold is drunk again. Yep. Look how deep it retested back in. It'd be like 60 ticks. which like you do have to do sometimes. But dude, that's freaking deep back into the range. Well, it's like halfway back into the range. Can't even get that much to the next level. That's crazy. Gold is drunk. Where is Ken? We need Ken here to drop some signals for sure. His addiction is telling him to trade right now. If you know, you know. Alright guys, we got 61 people here. We're going to drop the Discord link. This weekend in the Discord is going to be the first mindset webinar coming from someone who's overcome schizophrenia, lost 70 pounds, and become a profitable trader, and gotten many payouts from Top Step. It's going to have a lot of value. It's completely free. So if you're interested in having a community of people to chat with, how much is free? $10. No, I'm just kidding. If you're interested in having a community of people to just chill with, you know, bond with, become better people with, then there you go. There's the link, especially for you. Yes, Bluey. Say it again and again. Thanks, Seth. Appreciate that. Rodriguez, what you talking about, man? You're already in there. Guys, someone let me know if we hit 300 subscribers too. Thank you, Wanwa. You know, people say you look like Jesus, you look like Jesus. Like, guys, chill, you know, you're literally saying I look like what humanity thinks God would look like. Come on, guys. It's so funny. Do I have a Telegram account? I don't know. Yeah, legit. Look at that, guys. I gotta check something actually. Guys, we're at 297 subscribers. If we can get 3 more, I'm at 300 subscribers. Can we get that done? We got 62 people on here. Is there 3 people who's not subbed right now? Am I begging? Am I putting on? Am I doing too much right now? Am I doing too much by asking that? Let's go. We're at 300. That's actually huge. Yeah, I was about to get on my knees and friggin' just beg, like, for real, but 300 subs equals giveaway. I just gave away free Discord, man, to everybody. Seth with the W advice. 300 is crazy though, man. Like, I actually can't believe I got that many so quick. Do I have a Top Step hat? No, I don't. But yeah, look at this, man. We're getting a bit of a small body. Subs up, pounds down. Let's go. Rop Step hat? What's that? Am I getting trolled right now? Someone's going ham with the confetti in the freaking chat. I guarantee that's Ariel. I already know that's Ariel. 71 people. Damn, it says 63 for me. That's weird. Dude, the day that we hit 100 viewers at once in chat, I'm gonna be pumped. I'm gonna have to do something crazy. I'm gonna have to start doing crazy shit on stream to try and get my viewer rate up. I knew it was you. Maybe eventually, Oscar. For now, I'm just doing like a bunch of free cool shit, you know what I'm saying? Around more so the mindset that comes with being a profitable trader. Did you actually, Seth? Holy, man, that's insane, bro. Congrats, man. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, that's incredible, man. Stream until I make 100K. 100K what? From streaming, you mean? Or 100K subs? Confused. Yen. I might have already gotten 100K in payouts. I'll say that. I might have. But that's a secret. Yeah. Yeah, with 150K account, yeah. Do I trade with Apex? No, I don't. I've never used them. Type 2 is basically like, so I market these key levels. When price reaches them, I kind of judge based on what's happening during that time, whether or not price is going to push through or bounce off. Type 2 is if it bounces off, and type 1 is if it pushes through. That's the most simple way I can say it. Seth, you know what? That actually is weirdly a really crazy accomplishment. I'm not going to lie. Like, that, for some reason, actually impresses me a lot. Yeah. Well, Top Step, the thing is with Top Step is eventually I'll be making them money where I'm trading on live. And it's kind of hard for me to mess it up the way they have everything set up. All right, so we're gonna have to move this level up a little bit to right here. Now, because that weird closure, at least there's gonna be coinciding resistance on 4x2. It will make for a weird 30 closure, but the hourly will be looking pretty decent. Not really though, because it's straight into these levels, but we'll see anyways. This could end up being my last candle, or maybe I'll stick around for a couple more. Who knows? I'm pretty bored actually, so maybe I'll just stick around. Yeah, I'm waiting on the 30 close. Yeah, Ty, you don't want me to stay. You want me to leave. Yeah, I typically just stay for 4, Jack. Like do an hour, sometimes 6. Sometimes 6, depending on if like it looks like something could happen. Three candles. Okay, yeah, it's been 3 candles. What if those candles were 4-hour candles? And you'd be like, dude, it's been 3 candles. Okay, it's been 12 hours, bro. You know what I'm saying? 15 minutes is 1 candle, man. That's a lot of time. I got shit to do, you know. I'm a busy guy. No, I'm just playing. I have nothing to do. Busy finding Newfoundland wife. Yeah, unlikely. The CEO of Walmart. Yep, Walmart. You said it. Walmart. Yeah. What do you mean, Orem? You found one. Orem's always saying, yeah, good luck finding a wife here. Bro found a wife here. Blue, you're freaking crazy, dude. Yeah, I got shit to do, bro. And that's the shit I'm doing. Yeah, Seal, it's wild, man. It's wild what's going on. 73 viewers. Damn, son. I'm not gonna lie though, Bluey, whenever someone tells me they got shit to do, and it's someone who literally has nothing going on, that's immediately what I think they're gonna be doing. Yeah, I could. And that's what I spent my money on. Go get a haircut? Dude, I guess I'm never gonna friggin' meet anybody then, because I never get my haircut. Wait, what? Seth, you're always friggin' always confusing me, man. Always confusing me. What does that stand for? Yeah, it's true. When I hit 10k subs, I guess I can be bored then. Can I please break down this chart? This is a chart with things that are on it, and they represent the price of gold, and the things that are on the chart are called candlesticks, And these candlesticks represent the movement in price for each 15-minute increment of time. And every time, I'm actually getting into a freaking good explanation now. Like, we have these support levels, resistance levels. We mark them out. We find the key areas that we're going to be interested in a trade based on what's happened in the past. You know, it's like historic data. The most recent, what's the word for like the most recent yeah, I can't think of the word now, but the most recent reactions it's had kind of is what we go with. Like, if price just moves down really fast in one direction and doesn't show indecision, we consider that a safe area to buy into or sell into. So we'll find these ranges or kind of areas of indecision within these areas of clear decision of who was winning the battle at that time, buyers or sellers. We'll buy out of those or sell out of those, or buy back into them or sell back into them, because when we reach these levels, we typically have a strong reaction, and there's like a kind of a battle between buyers and sellers in that area, and our job is just to find out who's winning and jump on the roller coaster with them. Hope that makes sense. That was a shit job of explaining it, but yeah, I'm on the fly, so I wasn't even really thinking about it, but Seth's gonna get banned. I gotta see now what he's saying. Seth, you watch yourself, boy. I might have to put you on timeout. What am I looking for? I'm looking for buys above this level or sells below this level. I need a 15-minute closure below or above and a retest for me to enter. You see my non-negotiables: closure, retest, order, place outside first minute. Once we do get a few things ticked off, then, you know, we'll discern whether or not we're gonna take the trade. Ariel is still spamming shit in the chat. No, I'd never go below the 15. You know I'm Canadian, right? You know I'm not American. Yeah, that's what we need, man. We need to make Canada greater again thing. Because we are actually going to the dogs, man. It's actually crazy what's going on in Canada. I think I might prefer to be American, to be honest, right now. Actually, no, I wouldn't. Fuck that. Oh, Nate, you pissed me off, Nate. No, it's not. It's not just yours. Mine was doing that too. I noticed that, but I know what it looks like because I was looking at Forex. Too bad, Seth. You're canceled. I'm just looking for the first excuse I can find to cancel you, honestly. I don't really care what it is you say. I just want to cancel you. That's basically how cancel culture works, right? What's wrong with Canada at the moment? I don't want to say anything. I don't want to get political. You know what I'm saying? But you probably have an idea, Mitch. Nate. You're gonna poke the bear, Nate. Jack. That's crazy, man. Theo. Yeah, hopefully we can hold above here in the next 2 minutes. You know, I'm definitely interested if we get a retest then. You guys are something else, man. That's all I'm gonna say. You don't want to retest? Fair. That's fair. It's only a hourly closer and a 30-minute closer. No biggie. Wow, look at that, man. It's went, like, I swear. Oh, never mind. I was gonna say if we don't go further, it's went like exactly halfway to the next level to be like stop back within the range and TP at that level, but I think I'd still be interested if it was like this. Let's see. Because it's only 25 ticks back within the range, you know, and then it's like 36 to that level. Yeah, I'm interested. boy is interested. Hopefully we can stick around for a little bit. If we take off without giving me a chance, I'm gonna rage quit this stream. I'll go ahead and place an order, I guess. I have to go a bit lighter. Yeah, it's because the stop is pretty big. Wait, I even got to bust out my calculator. If I were to get triggered here now, it would be 50 tick stop, right? Yeah, so. Damn, that kind of fucks up the risk. But there's nothing in the way on Forex, so maybe I'll just, yeah. Really though. Yeah, I rarely do that, hey. It's looking like poo now. I'm gonna cancel that. That's 2 times we got edged in this session. 2 times. Yeah, I know. I was looking at those 1 hour levels. It looks chopped. I don't really like it, to be honest, but I was gonna take it for entertainment purposes. It's only money, right? But yeah, this is dumb. I might just call it. Oh, look, it's pushing up now. Why couldn't you just do that? I know Ariel is going to be taking this. Why couldn't you just do that beforehand, you know? It does look shit on the 1 hour. It looks really bad. I don't know what to do in this situation. I don't really like any possible outcome that could happen. Like, look at this, man. What is that shit? Look at where we are. And look at this. Like, this is what we got to trade in on the hourly and the 30. Are you kidding me? Like, dude. Yeah, I can't trade NQ though. That's what stinks. But why are we expected to trade within this? Like, why? Yeah, good shit, Ariel. I almost want to wait till we like gravitate up to here or down all the way down here for some shit. Or some shit, like, just because I feel like the probabilities within this massive range is just lowered just by so much. Yeah, legit, Seth. It's kind of upsetting, to be honest, because I want to trade. I want to take a trade. Wah. You know what I mean? Like, that's just how I feel. Yeah. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to call it, I think. Orem, you should give me a call or something. And, yeah, just give me a call on Discord or Instagram or something. And I will be chatting to you guys later. Still got my Discord link pinned in the chat. Like I was saying before, there's going to be some cool shit done in there. Got an awesome community filled with a bunch of cool people. See Hashem, my brother. Wouldn't mind a few feet pics if you want to send them over. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, later, Nate. Peace.